Good afternoon. My name is Eric Yarnott. I'm a member of the class of 2022 here at Archbishop Murphy. I'm grateful for this opportunity to talk to you all today about what Murphy has meant to me and how it has shaped my future in just 4 years. Before coming to Murphy, I attended a local school near my home called St. Michael's. It was a relatively small school, and by that I mean I was a member of the record-shattering graduating class of 6 people, which doubled the previous record that was set 2 years before. Well, a school like that might not have had as many resources. What I cared about there was the tight-knit community that formed between the students and the teachers alike. Everyone in that school knew each other. There were inside jokes galore. We had truly become like family. Leaving St. Michael's, I was worried that feeling of community wouldn't be possible in a larger environment, even a smaller high school like Murphy's. I was very quickly proven wrong. AMHS is absolutely bursting with community. Wherever you go, whatever you choose to do, you will find people working together to grow and learn as a team. Whether it be in the classroom or in one of our sports teams or clubs, people come together easily. Even though I came into my freshman year not knowing anybody, I was easily able to find my people when I joined the mock trial team, the robotics team, and the school choir. We work together to enrich the activities and classes we share and form bonds that remain strong even outside of school, even through the recent pandemic. We help support each other as each of us pushes our boundaries. And not only have my friends been fundamental to my growth here at AMHS, but my teachers have as well. My teachers have taken a personal interest in me, supporting me in my academic endeavors, working individually with me, and guiding me on my college search. But not only that, they have supported me in my academic endeavors as well, including my journey to become an Eagle Scout. Everywhere on campus, you will find teachers helping students, encouraging them to further their involvement and their learning. And outside of class, they offer friendly conversation. They get to know students. In fact, I haven't had a single class where the students and teachers don't just chat with one another before the period begins. Our teachers bring Murphy's unique sense of community into the classroom with them and wherever they go. And this sense of community extends all around campus. If you choose to attend Archbishop Murphy, you'll find that by the end of your 4 years, most of the staff will know your name and greet you in the hallway, ask how you're doing, how your pursuits are going. Walking in, you'll be greeted by one of our wonderful people at the front desk, and walking around, you might say hi to one of our coaches or custodians. You can stop by our Vice Principal, Mr. Matusak's office for some candy and a visit with his dog Bubba if you don't happen to run into them on your way to classes. A perfect example of leadership and community spirit on campus is Mr. O'Neill, our campus security officer. He doesn't just wave us into our parking spots in the morning, he waves hello. From personalized thank you notes for our work to happy birthday wishes at lunch, we have him to thank for bringing his incredible positivity to the campus. The spirited contributions of all the faculty and staff serve to make everyone feel welcomed into our school. Archbishop Murphy as a whole is a space that drives us to grow not only into our education, but also as people. With the support of my friends and teachers, I was able to push my academic boundaries by taking multiple honors and AP classes. This year, I've enrolled in Matteo Ricci, our high school's honors English and civics program that has us students discussing our ideas with each other and with the teachers. This style of personal and collaborative connection is what makes Murphy such a great place to learn. Outside of academics, however, I've also found ways to explore more of myself as a person. When I first came to AMHS, I signed up to join the choir, mostly on a whim. While I could play the piano, I never considered myself much of a musical person, and I just wanted to try something new. But after a year of working with Miss Wright and the other choir members, I found myself enjoying singing so much that I joined the Choral Airs, Murphy's honor choir. Throughout the years, I've continued pushing my social and emotional boundaries like this by joining the mock trial team and auditioning for our school's fall movie. It has truly contributed to who I am today, and I know I'm not the only one to grow in this way. As I now plan for my future after Archbishop Murphy, I will take with me the values and care that the school has given me. I will strive to contribute to a strong community and continue to pursue academic excellence. I've thoroughly grown from living the Wildcat way, and it's an experience I highly recommend.